Can you get out?
Come on. Oh. Okay. Get out, sir.
Oh, shit.
Get out! Get him out!
Sir, undo your seatbelt!
Sir, get out! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Stand up!
Come to the back!
Come on, get to the back!
Get him to the back! Come on this way, hurry!
Honey, come on!
Hold out!
Come on! Come on,
We're getting you out!
come on,
Get his other arm! Get over here, come on!
Fine, dude.
Where are you guys?
We have to pull you out. It's all right. It's all right.
Got the driver out, he's a single occupant. Vehicle's becoming fully engulfed now.
The vehicle is now unoccupied, single occupant.
Guys! Hey, let's get this farther away. This thing can explode. Please help! Help me get him back! Sir, we gotta get you back. The grass is catching on fire. The fire is spreading to the grass adjacent to the roadway.
Are you able to give me a size of the fire, how much it has spread?
It's hard to say with the smoke. It's probably spread up the road at least 40-50 yards.